there was one Memorial Day sale you cannot pass up on, it is this one right here. I'm telling you guys, this is the slingshot indicator. Check this bad boy out. This is the Robinhood trade that actually just fired off. This was just a couple days ago. This was actually just yesterday. And in fact, we almost hit take profit today. It was very close. Robinhood has been absolutely on fire. And a few other tickers have been on fire. Nvidia, AMD, Apple. So guys, check this out. So let me actually show you something that is just absolutely insane. So first of all, since February, so February 82.8% win rate, March 83.3, April 86.7, and then already here in May 83.3. So this is the slingshot trading system. You're going to be getting the indicator in the alerts. This is just my little spreadsheet to kind of track the trades. Right now, we're offering this thing for $97. It's actually bonkers. It's actually insane. I was talking to my team about it today, and they think I'm crazy. They think that this thing is way more value than $97. But I want you guys to get this. I love offering you guys discounts and sales and things like that. So we are going to be giving you guys a chance to grab this thing with the alerts, with everything. And I'm telling you, this thing's going to be in full entire package at a later date at a much, much, much higher price. So you can lock this in for $97 and just check out some of these recent trades with this thing. So I'm going to show you, these are real time. Once you get in the alert group, you can actually see every single one of these trades. Look at this. So silver, we just hit, we just lost out on the silver, but Palantir, AJG, Palantir again, AMD, look at all of these winning trades with this system. And these are not small trades either. These are actually quite large. Silver, Robinhood's been killing it. Nvidia's been killing it. QQQ, Hood, Palantir again, AMD. Some of these trades, I mean, it's just they're absolutely killing it. Look at all of these look at all these juicy wins with this thing. So you guys can have a chance to grab this thing. Nvidia is actually a 7-0. We are 7-0 on Nvidia lifetime with this thing. So if you get an Nvidia trade with this, go ahead and take it because 100% of the time so far you're going to win with it. Same thing with Apple. We're 4-0 with Apple. We don't get a lot of them, so when we get them, you're going to want to take those trades. Costco, the same thing. XLC, Amazon. So these are big time tickers. And we don't get a lot of trades, but when we get them, you are going to want to take note. So like I said, all this, $97. You're gonna be able to get the indicator. Look at this thing on the chart. Check this out. Essentially how it works. And I'll send you to a link below that'll show you exactly how this thing works. You're gonna be focused on this candle right here. So the entire duration, you're gonna be focused on this one candle, this blue candle. As soon as you see it, that is our entry. Then we have a take profit. We have a stop loss. We have a lot of rules, things like that. Very simple to follow. One of my favorite pullback systems. We've been recently talking about momentum trading and breakout trading. This is a little different style. This is essentially pullback. You get into a buy trade and then you go straight up. That's kind of the goal, and that's kind of the goal right here we saw here. So like I said, yeah, here's another one that just fired off and boom, went straight up to take profit just a couple days ago. So like I said, this thing is only going to be $97 right now. So $97, and that would be it. This is all you'll have to pay. We have previously had this at as high as $497. So $97 will be the lowest. I can promise you that this thing will never, ever be lower than that in the history of the duration of Slingshot. So if you guys are interested in Slingshot, you want to know more about this, go ahead and click on the button, grab this thing for $97. It's killing it. It's crushing it. I'm telling you, the next few trades that I'm going to see with Slingshot firing off, because these markets are getting a little bit dicey, which does make sense. The environment of Slingshot. And let me show you this. The environment of Slingshot, it wasn't favorable in October, November, December, but look at what's happened recently, right? What have we been doing as of recently? We basically, how things have been going is that we'll get a big time move and then we'll get a small little pullback and then a big time move and a small little pullback and a big, and these is where Slingshot thrives. These are where Slingshot thrives. These are these buy opportunities that Slingshot, that's the ones that we live for. And so that is what's been happening as of recently. with these trades. And so that is why Slingshot has been able to perform so well as of recent. And I believe that in the next few months, it's going to even be better. I think there's going to be more opportunities. I think we're going to see a little bit of a minor pullback here at some point. But when we get that, we're going to get a ton of opportunities to get in some of these big time trades. And I'm telling you, $97, this is probably our best pullback system that we actually, I 100% am on board with saying that this is one of my favorite pullback systems that we have. It's such a simple blue candle. It's such a simple, you get the alert. It's such a simple trade to take. All right, guys, that's it. Happy Memorial Day week. Get this thing so as soon as that timer hits 0, this will be gone. This still will be gone. You won't see it again, and we will close this thing down. So see you guys. We'll see you guys in there.